Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. In last sessions, we solved the exercise 5.2, okay, and 5.1, okay, and we see the related angles, okay, that is supplementary angle, then linear pair, okay, then adjacent angle, vertically opposite angle and complementary angles. Okay, we see all already seen these all types of angles. So now we see the pair of lines. Okay, first we see intersecting lines. There are two types of line, intersecting line and parallel line. So first we see the intersecting lines. So intersecting lines means the two lines when cut each other at a common point, then they are called intersecting lines. Suppose the line, this one line, okay, and this is second line, okay. So these two lines intersect at same point, okay. This is point O. So this type of line called as intersecting lines, and these common lines called their point of interaction. So here suppose, what is the example? Suppose we take a edges of postcard or your notebook, okay, this type, okay, this is notebook, okay. Suppose we increase this line, go forward, then these two line intersect to each other, okay. This line L, okay, this line M, this L and M intersect at this point, okay. Suppose we take again, this is N, so line L and line N intersect at this point, means these two line intersect at one common point. Again one example, suppose your X letter, okay, this X letter intersect at this common point, okay. So these are the examples of uh, intersecting lines, okay. Here is one common point. Now see here, now in this figure you have to find the line segments, okay. A point of interaction is given, okay. Suppose you have to find the point, the line segment intersect at C, okay, intersect at C. Which are line segment intersect at C? See, this is BC, this line, okay, and this is CA. So which is common point here? This C is common point here, so you have to write BC and this is AC also. You have to take any two lines, okay. So BC or EC, these two line intersect at point C. Again you have to write BC. और कौन सी लाइन इंटरसेक्ट होती है? सपोज वी डोंट टेक दिस लाइन, देन दिस लाइन ऑल्सो AC, this AC also intersect at point AC, also intersect at point C, okay. This is one pair. Suppose intersect point of interaction is point E, so which line intersect? C here, CE, this line, and BE, CE and BE. So right here line CE, this is line segment, and BE line segment. These two line segment intersect at point E. Suppose you take the point of interaction is B at C. So at B, not C, okay. So which line intersect here? Line segment BC, this BC and BE. Okay, these two line intersect at point B, okay. In this way we find the pair of interaction. Suppose at point P, which line intersect at point P? So you have to write A, this is line AC, and which line segment? This is B. So these two line intersect at point B, point P, okay. In this way we find the intersecting lines, okay. Suppose the question is in your textbook, find the examples of your surrounding where line intersect at right angles. Okay, here when line intersect, so we get here right angle. Suppose, so you have to find the examples. Suppose this is two line. Okay, then when these two line intersect, we get the right angle. So यहाँ पे देखो दोनों both are straight line. So here we get straight angle. Okay, so two line, not three line. This two line. Okay, so here point of interaction this. Okay, so when two line intersect, we get a straight line angle. So what are the examples are here? कौन कौन से एग्जाम्पल है? सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट द एग्जाम्पल एजेस ऑफ पोस्ट कार्ड. ओके, post card. Okay, then second example, edges of sheet of paper. Okay, your notebook, edges of a sheet of paper. Okay, these are two examples. See, two A pages means here this is one line and this is second line. Okay, this line intersect at this point. Then question number 2, find the measure of angle made by intersecting line as vertices of an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle means जिसके having all sides same. Okay, suppose this line, one line is go, then second, then this third line. Okay, we get this type of angle. This is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means having same side. So here we get the vertices of 60 degree because addition of three angles is 180 degree. Okay, so we get here angle 60 degree. Okay, this the angle made by intersecting line at the vertices of an equilateral triangle is 180 degree. Okay, because equilateral triangle having addition 180 degree. Then again same, draw any rectangle. Okay, now here you have to draw a rectangle and find the measured of angle of four vertices made by intersecting line. Okay, this is one line. Okay, this line intersects. So here this is one point. Again this is second point. This line and this line intersect at this point. Then again this line and this line. Okay, this standing line, sleeping line intersect at this point, and again we get this point. This one line and this is standing line intersect at this point. So here we get the rectangle. Okay, so what is the size of what is the angle of these vertices? How much degree? Both are straight line, sleeping line, straight line. So how much degree? This is 90 degree. Okay, देखो जहाँ पे straight line एक दूसरे को cross करती है तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलते हैं हमें? 90 degree angle. Okay, so we get here 90 degree angle. Then if two line intersect, do they always intersect at right angle? जब दो line intersect होती है, if two line intersect to each other, then they always intersect at right angle like this. Straight में ही जाएगी? No, it is not necessary. Okay, the intersection ऐसे भी हो सकता है. Okay, this is also intersection. Here we get the common point. Okay, intersection like this also. So this is point of interaction. So it is not necessary if two line intersect, they always intersect at right angle. Okay, this is about intersecting line. Now you have to see the transversal. Now we see the intersecting line. Intersecting line में आपको क्या करना था? You have to take two lines only. Okay, two line crossing to each other at a common point. Okay, but in transversal, a line that intersect two or more line at a different point or a distinct point is called transversal. Suppose this is here two or more lines. Here are two lines. This line intersect at a different point. See here, this is one point here and this is second line here. So this type of lines called as transversal. Okay, these are transversal. two or more lines intersect at a different point. See here is a point A, this is point B. Okay, this type of in transversal, this type of intersection is called transversal. Okay, suppose what is the example? So here is a crossing road. Here see in this figure, this figure is given gate. Okay, this gate and this is one line, this line transversal. Okay, again this is road, these two road crossing by this one road. So also railway line crossing or several line. Okay, this is given an idea of transversal. Okay, so a line that intersect two or more line at a distinct point is called transversal. Distinct point means different point. एक ही line टू और थ्री लाइन को क्रॉस करती है एट अ डिफरेंट पॉइंट. ओके, और इंटरसेक्ट करती है एट अ डिफरेंट पॉइंट. दिस लाइन कॉल्ड एज ट्रांसवर्सल. सपोज हियर this is in this figure, this two line is given, line L and line M. So line P cross कर रही है किसको, line L और M को. which point? Here is this point and here M this point. Okay, there are we get 2 points. Okay, but in this same figure these two line cross each other and this is again point P, थर्ड लाइन. बट दिस ऑल लाइन कहाँ पे मिल रहे हैं, यहाँ पे हमें एक ही कॉमन पॉइंट मिल रहा है. सो दिस इज नॉट example of transversal. Okay, because here we get one common point only. Okay, so see here, suppose two line are given and how many transversal can you draw for this line? Suppose two lines are given. Okay, so two lines already given, so you have to draw two lines. Okay, suppose these are two lines are given, line L, line M. Okay, and how many transversal can you draw for this line? So here you have to, we can draw on infinite number of transversal to given lines. Okay, so आपको कितने भी लाइन आप ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन दिखा सकते हो. this one 2 3 4 5 6 7 means infinite. Okay, so you get the infinite number of transversal. यहाँ पे आप कोई भी लाइन कितने भी लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हो इसको क्रॉस करने वाली. so you have to write here infinite lines. how many lines you have to draw here? so you have to write, we can draw a infinite number of transversal means unlimited. Okay, of two given lines. Okay, this is first answer. Then if a line is transversal to three lines, how many points of interaction are there? Here, now here a line transversal to three line. Okay, these are three lines. Okay, line L, M and N, these three lines. Then a line is transversal to three line, how many points of interaction are there? how many points are interaction there? कितने point मिल रहे हैं हमें यहाँ? see here, we get here this point 1 2 and 3. so here we get 3 points. how many points we get here? we get point of interaction 3 points. Okay, then try to identify few transversal line in your surrounding. this is example. so you have to write iron staircase. Okay, this is already given in your textbook. then grill of windows and travel stand. so this is the examples already given. see here, this is example. Okay, so travel stand, grill of window, so or iron staircase, these are the examples of transversal. Okay, now you have to see the angles made by transversal. Okay, now see here, see now we see the line of transversal or angle made by transversal. Okay, this is line L and this is line M. Okay, these two lines. Okay, this line transversal by P. Okay, so here we get how many points? Here we get two intersecting points. No, Now here are we get angles. Okay, so here we get angle 1. Okay, then this angle 1, then angle 2, this is angle 2. Okay, then angle 3, and we get last angle 4. Okay, these are the 4 angles we given in this figure. And again, here also we get 4 angles. Again, you have to write angle 5, angle 6. Okay, this is angle 6, angle 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and angle 8. This is angle 3. Okay, so these are the angles we get in this figure. Okay, now you have to write. First we see interior angles. So what is the name first? First is we find interior angles. So interior angle, interior angles में जो inside है. Okay, so inside angle कौन कौन से? सी एंगल, ये दोनों लाइन सी, ये दिस फर्स्ट लाइन एंड दिस सेकेंड लाइन, ये दोनों के बीच में जो भी एंगल आ रहे हैं, दिस इज इंटरनल एरिया. ओके, दिस इज टू लाइन के मिडल जो भी एरिया है उसको, ये एरिया कौन सा होगा? इंटरनल एरिया. सो विच आर द एंगल्स आर इंटीरियर एंगल. तो आपको कौन कौन से एंगल दिख रहे हैं इनसाइड? दिस इज एंगल 3, यस, देन एंगल 4, देन एंगल 5 and angle 6. These are interior angle. Okay, interior angle आपको कैसे find करना है? You have to find the internal area. This is internal area between line L and M. ये दोनों के बीच में जो एरिया है, this is internal area. This is exterior area. एक्सटेरियर मीन्स बाहर की साइड, इंटीरियर मीन्स इन साइड. ओके, सो एक्सटेरियर एरिया कौन सा है? ये बाहर का, और ये साइड बाहर की. इंटीरियर लाइन कौन सा है? दोनों लाइन के बीच में जो एरिया है वो होगा इंटीरियर लाइन एरिया. सो एंगल कौन कौन से? 3, 4, 5 एंड 6. सो वी राइट द नेम एंगल 3, एंगल 4, एंगल 5 एंड एंगल 6. देन सेकेंड इज एक्सटेरियर एंगल. ओके, अभी हमने इंटीरियर लिखे, अभी हम लिख रहे हैं एक्सटेरियर एंगल. ओके, एक्सटेरियर एंगल्स कौन कौन से हैं यहाँ पे? विच आर द आउटसाइड. अभी आउटसाइड वाले एंगल कौन कौन से हैं यहाँ पे? एंगल 1 एंड 2 बाहर की साइड है ये लाइन से. ओके, सो यू हैव टू राइट एंगल 1, एंगल 2, दिस इज एंगल 7 एंड एंगल 8. ये कौन से? बाहर की साइड है, ये एंगल इन साइड है. ओके, ये एंगल बाहर की साइड है, दोनों लाइन के बाहर है. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू टेक पेयर ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल. सो हियर सी करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स मीन्स पेयर्स ऑफ corresponding angles. Now you have to find the pairs of corresponding angles. So which are the corresponding angles here? See here, this is angle 1 and angle 5. Okay, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7. Okay, so here सी जो लाइन के, आपको एंगल कैसे लेना है? करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल मीन्स जो लाइन के ऊपर है और लाइन के नीचे वो पेयर होगी. एंगल 1 और एंगल 5. ओके, ये एक दूसरे के ऊपर है. सी दिस इज फिगर. ओके, सो यहाँ पे ये एंगल है, ये एंगल है. ओके, सो दिस इन दिस फिगर दोनों आपको कौन से लेने हैं? ऊपर की साइड वाले, ये लाइन के ऊपर वाला एंगल और ये भी लाइन के ऊपर वाला एंगल. सो एंगल 1 एंड angle 5, these are corresponding angle. Okay, angle 1 and angle 5. then दूसरी पेयर कौन सी है? this side, angle 2 and angle 6. ओके, सो अभी हमने ये साइड लिया, अभी ये साइड के. ओके, दे अब ऊपर वाले साइड के. ओके, देन और पेयर कौन से है? एक नीचे की साइड की. ओके, द एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 7. and this side angle 4 and angle 8. These are corresponding angles. Okay, समझ में आया? एंगल एक ऊपर का दोनों लाइन के ऊपर के लिए, दिस लाइन के एल के ऊपर कौन है 1, एम के ऊपर कौन है 5, लाइन ट्रांसवर्सल के लेफ्ट साइड के एंगल लिए. ओके, देन ट्रांसफर के लेफ्ट राइट साइड में कौन कौन है 2 and 6. पहले ऊपर के एंगल लिए हमने. देन यू हैव टू टेक द डाउन साइड एंगल. सी हियर, दिस इज 3 and 7, 4 and 8. These angles called as corresponding angles. Okay, now see, today we see interior angle, exterior angle, pair of corresponding angles. Now see here, I will give you homework. So first you have to write in your notebook. See here, you have to write this pair of lines. Okay, then intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, you have to write the definition. Okay, two lines, okay, L and M intersect if they have a point in common. This common point O is called as point of interaction. Okay, so you have to write this definition and you have to draw this type of figure, simple figure. Okay, this is line L and M, this line M, not this, and this intersecting point is O. So you have to show this type of diagram in your notebook. Now you have to write transversal. Okay, write the heading and write the definition. A line that intersects two or more lines at distinct point, means different point, is called line transversal. And you have to draw this figure. This figure you have to draw, first figure only. Okay, then you have to write the angle made by transversal. Okay, so again you have to draw this figure and write this angle only. These three types, 1, 2, 3. Okay, these you have to do this work in your notebook. Now I will show you how to your homework. Okay, your question 1, you have to find interior angle first. Okay, interior angle, this is your first question. Then exterior angle, then pair of corresponding angles. This is your homework. Okay, this is first question. Now see second question. So corresponding angle you have to find in one line also. Suppose this is one line. Okay, line T. Okay, and these two lines, line L1 and L2. Okay, this is line T. So this line we get here angle. Angle 1 and angle 2. Identify this angle. Angles. Okay, so this is your homework. These two questions you have to complete in your notebook. In this figure you have to find interior angle, exterior angle and pair of corresponding angle, and in this figure you have to identify which type of angle this. Okay, which type, interior angle, exterior angle or pair of corresponding angle. This is your homework. Okay, thank you.